Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And somebody asked me about Gemini being the Google AI assistant and the fact that it is part of Gmail. When you actually go to a Gmail account to write or look at your emails, Gemini is now part of your email account. And it has advantages. There are things that it can do for you. The reason it's there is it can summarize very long emails into something more, shorter that you can easily read. It can, suggest a reply. You don't even have to do anything. It'll write a reply for you. Things like that. So there could be some interesting features thanks to Gemini when you use your Gmail account. There's, of course, a lot of people that don't like AI and are a little hesitant. They would prefer maybe if the smart features would not be in Gmail. Is there a way to turn them off? Yes. If you go to your Gmail account, on the upper right, you'll see there's a gear icon, which are the settings. Go to See All Settings, and then go down. Make sure you're in the General tab, and simply go down. You'll see all the smart features. Smart Compose, suggested on or off. Smart Compose Personalization, on or off. So that's another one. And of course, Smart Reply, on or off. And there's a general check mark, Smart Features. If you turn that off, turn off and reload, you'll see that that is now going to be, let's go back to all settings, see all settings, here we go, and go down. You'll see that everything pretty much smart is now turned off. Turn on smart features, turn on smart features, turn on smart features. So you see that it impacts grammar, spelling, autocorrect, a lot of things. So that is where you need to know that doing so will impact a lot of what Gmail can do and can help you with. It's up to you. If you turn it off, the Gemini smart features are gone. I personally will turn them on and reload because I do like to have the Gemini smart features that are, of course, being used. Now, it is true that a lot of the features that it actually disables are features that used to be enabled without AI, like the autocorrect, like spelling suggestions, grammar. And that is a little sad because they kind of put everything in one place in the smart features of Gemini. But hey, you want to turn it off? You have the smart feature option that you can turn on or off, depending of what you like and what you think of all of these features that Gemini artificial intelligence will bring. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.